Hello everyone, I am Rolly Arpicaza. So today I will teach you how to correlate using person R in XPSS. So we have the two variables here, the age and the salary. So we will check whether the age is correlated to the salary. So if this is correlated, so we have the positive correlation and the negative correlation. So the positive correlation, this is the direction of the R. So if positive correlation, the two variable maybe increases or decreases. And while the negative correlation, if the age will increase, the salary decreases. So, and vice versa. So let's try. This is very simple calculation. So again, we will correlate the age and the salary. So go to analyze, go to correlation, then go to bivariate, then transform or transfer the age and salary to the variable. And then we have correlation coefficient. We will use person, then two-tailed, and then okay. So now this is now the result of our correlation, with the correlation is significant at the 0.01 level and two tails. So we have now the age and the salary. So take a look on the 0.976, the double asterisk, and the sig is 0.000. So this percent correlation, this is now the to determine our R value, which is our the direction of the two variable, and the significant, this is now our alpha value or the p value. So the p value is less than 0.05, meaning this is significant. So take a look on 0.976. So this is positive, meaning there is positive correlation. So as the age increases, the salary also increases. So this is how we get the simple correlation using SPSS. So I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.